Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to pass your C-29 license exam. Now, the C-29 Masonry Contractor license exam is going to be broken up into 7 sections, including planning and estimation, job site preparation, masonry wall and building installation and repair, decorative masonry installation and repair, masonry veneer and stone installation repair, fireplace, chimney, and barbecue installation and repair, and then there'll be a section on safety. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the C-29 license, check out our previous video. We go into great detail on this license. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the examination. Now, as is the case with all California contractor licenses that are under the C Specialty, you'll also need to pass the CSLB Law and Business exam. That'll include sections covering business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, public works, and there'll be a section on safety. So basically, you need to pass 2 tests, 115 questions covering law and business, and 115 questions covering masonry. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's going to be a computerized exam that you'll take at a CSLB testing facility. So just know that if you're applying from another state, you will need to physically come to California to take the exam. Now, we've got a free guide that covers the California contractor licensing process in detail, how to fill out the application, sample questions, tons of really valuable information. You'll definitely want to download that. Check it out in the top right-hand corner of this video. Now, the Masonry Specialty portion of the test is going to be extremely important. You're going to be tested on California building codes, masonry unit components, reinforcing steel, mortar ingredients and types, fireplace construction, disposal of contaminated materials, precast masonry installation, reinforcement and bracing, job site preparation, masonry veneer and stone installation, and employee safety. Now, there's going to be a lot more to this test. This is just kind of a short snapshot of the different types of questions that you're going to need to be prepared to cover, but just wanted to give you kind of a quick look. You'll definitely want to see the full breakdown. You can see that below this video. Now, the mathematics that you're going to want to be familiar with are going to include, obviously, your applied math. Make sure that you have the solid foundations in math: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Calculating percentages. You need to be able to calculate square footage. Geometry, to a certain degree, is going to be prevalent on the exam. You'll need to be familiar with the different units of measurement: inches, feet, pounds, tons. Job costing and estimation are also going to be critical. So make sure that your math skills are tight going into your contractor license exam. Now, preparing is going to be critical. Make sure that you're familiar with California law and business. It's going to be 50% of the exam. So there's a lot of different areas that are going to be on this test that you'll want to make sure that you're studied and prepared on. Make sure that your masonry fundamentals are tight and that you've seen the possible questions that could appear. And then obviously California health and safety. Now, California takes job site safety, employee rights, environmental safety extremely seriously. So it's going to be a significant portion of your exam. And then make sure, like I said, fundamental math skills, common equations, formulas. Make sure that you're able to answer math-related questions quickly. Have some test-taking experience. So online practice tests with flashcards, answer explanations, not only just timed exams and online tests, but explanations that'll really give you context as to why these answers are correct and why the ones that aren't correct are not correct. Walkthroughs of the exam with licensed contractors and lawyers that can help you decipher the language. These are all included in our C-29 license course. Just want to thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, again, we're here to answer anything that you have, and just feel free to reach out at any point. Again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.